lag when I can't get my clip, huh?
Oh.
Nah.
Oh no, bro.
Nah.
No, I thought you were going over there.
Let me cook. You what? That broke my shield?
Dead here. I'm not? You me?
Yes, you are. Too much back.
What?
Nah, I knew you were gonna do it. I knew you were gonna do it. You always do it. That grabbed me from. Yeah, my dear. No, man. No, we'll run it back. We'll run it back. Don't worry.
I got this. I got this. No, I knew you were gonna roll in that one time. The one time I know. God damn. God damn.
That was a misinput.
Damn it. Nope.
That was a misinput.
No, yay! Oh god. Oh god, oh no.
Nah, I'd win. Alright, watch this though.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Fucking idiot.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no, wrong special. Wrong one, oh no.
What special were you going for there?
Oh, for the super armor.
Why would you do up special there? That was the worst up special all time. You're not helping your case.
Who said it was supposed to be optimal? I was just saying, wrong special.
How would that have hit me? I was on the platform. What?
Oh no. Damn.
No.
You got the range on 2? Damn. I just realized I was so happy. Oh no. I keep forgetting it just dies when you up special.
Everyone has an up special. What does that mean?
And just goes up and well.
That's what half the recoveries in the game
That
do.
was fun.
That's what half of the recoveries do, bro.
That was fun for a while.
Oh my god.
Just see if I can fix that before it
Good now?
starts. Yeah, way better. Actually, a little too better. I feel fast.
I was like,
I don't know how to stop it. Oh no!
you
It doesn't
can't.
just happen, right? What do you mean? You mean I can't fix it? You hear me? It just happens?
You need what?
Also, show in the second part.
What? Yo, stop mashing! Stop mashing,
this.
bro! No, you can't stop it.
No, please, have mercy!
He gave me the kill? Thank you. Yeah, I had to. Oh, so close. I thought I'd get a snobbish vision of movement.
You can't move once you start it.
It's like, just a little bit of movement. Please, I'm begging you. So,
I used to be a purple enjoyer.
Is this nigga serious?
Goofy ass fake combo.
I hate it here!
Yo, why all my moves missing you, bro?
missing? You thought you were gonna hit? That's crazy. Okay.
Your shit broke you out on my combo, bro. Down here, Link. Down here, Toon Link.
Down here, it's crazy.
You are down here, Toon Link.
Oh no, I should have just down here. I should have just.
You should have just down here. You're down here now. Now what?
Oh no, I don't like my protein poke. I'm good. How did did you just choose not to get affected?
By what? Oh, we clanked. We clanked.
Oh no.
Oh, wrong one.
Change the world. My final message. Goodbye.
What were you? Where was it? Alright, explain the vision. Explain the vision.
No. I was gonna get some distance, and I let go of the side that I was moving. I kept moving, and I was like, oh no.
That's a
Infield.
crazy vision right there. I was like, why?
And I
Why
just kept
is?
moving.
I was like, why is G going over there? Is there?
You see what I mean? Yeah, I like personal space.
Is there something there I'm not seeing?
Yeah, you need to let the Smash Ball. They give you a free Smash attack.
There must have been something real interesting over there.
Yeah. It was actually the ending of One Piece. You should have seen it.
Oh, I missed it.
You know how I'm young. Like, we're both young right now.
Yeah.
I'm afraid that we won't be alive long enough to see the ending of One Piece. Oh god.
Oh, I phantom it. Bro, what? No DI. Why would you up B there? Is that Grammy from that far?
I thought you would land on stage. I'm a little disappointed.
Your ass is mashing.
Oh, I'm so readable, bro.
Readable. Oh.
I beg your pardon.
Yeah.
I didn't say you did. Okay, bro. I didn't. No. I didn't let you get that. I knew you would do that. You.
I'm like, he's been jumping this entire time to get. He's not gonna stop right now, right?
I've been jumping
Why would he stop now?
because I knew you were gonna land with that. Because you always land with down special. It's an addiction. Get help.
No, I was initially planning on doing a clean land. A clean land, no movements.
Why did you just do that? That would have been better. You can't,
So nice.
brother. You have not hit a single down B the entire match. I think you need to let it go.
But it's so good. It's so good.
You need to stop down B, man.
No,
It's
bro,
an
don't be so good.
it's an addiction. You need help, bro.